I was sorting through some of my old fishing stuff, pretty much from childhood almost, and I found a vintage hand warmer from the days before we had battery powered heated gloves, heated clothing, and even the little chemical hand warmer bag things that you shake that are good for a couple of hours. And I found this device, which is a little case. It's got a little clasp on it that snaps shut. And of course, it contains asbestos. That's the fiber looking stuff that you see there. It was designed to use burnable, flammable, combustible charcoal sticks in this format, which you lit an end of, or maybe both ends, if you're the type to burn your candle with both ends, so to speak. And this would provide you a few hours of heat in your pockets or whatever. Probably not a good thing to use in a confined space unless it's very drafty because of carbon monoxide. But that's how they did things in my youth. It was asbestos and carbon monoxide everywhere. Asbestos insulation, asbestos brakes, you name it. Asbestos in crayons and pretty much any talc-bearing product. And of course, charcoal, which, well, carbon monoxide comes from cigarettes, among other things. So, yeah, we breathed in a lot of it as kids, from chain-smoking parents. Anyway, this is the little device. I have a couple of boxes of fuel sticks for it, okay, which cost this one cost all of $1.25 when I was probably a teenager, or maybe early 20s at most. Might have had this when I started doing a little ice fishing, I forget. And another package of fuel sticks for pocket hand warmers. Can we read it? What does it say? Made in Hong Kong under rigid specifications for South Bend Sporting Goods, Northbrook, Illinois. Zip code and everything. And that's more of the same. And it even has the instructions. Okay. Heat till glowing. Place in holder. Close it. And do not use near explosives, inflammable materials in your bed or a sleeping bag, or store while still burning. Place a rubber band around hand warmer when in use to prevent accidental opening. So I guess it doesn't theoretically run hot enough to set things on fire, through the insulated case, or even melt the rubber band. But I don't remember doing the rubber band. I didn't use it very much. I've got, a box and a quarter, a box and a half of sticks to go with it. So, like I said, that's what these are like. And just for ha-has, I'm going to pollute the house with carbon monoxide and set a stick ablaze. I would say at this point, don't try this at home, folks, or kids, as the case may be. Probably not very safe. But in a pinch, if you're at risk of frostbite, I guess it'll work. Blow on it. Let's see if I can show you when I blow on it. Yeah, it'll briefly turn red hot, so gets nice and hot when I give it some air. Sorry, too close. Come on, autofocus, do your thing. All right, and just close it up in there and keep your hands warm while you work or fish or hunt or whatever. But not really safe by today's standards and not something I would recommend. So that's it.